Tired of seeing the same smiling faces in every job ad? Say goodbye to boring stock photos. You can create unique images for job advertisements with one of our new free prompt generators in just a few clicks. You can find all the necessary links in the video description. Let's start on the SynSense AI website. Click on the Free Stuff/Prompt Generators menu. Here, select the prompt generator for illustrating job advertisements. From the drop-down menus, choose the necessary attributes. If any of them are not relevant to you, leave them as Do Not Specify or Let AI Decide. Once you're done, click the Generate Prompt button, and your prompt is ready. Click the Copy to Clipboard button to copy your prompt to the clipboard. All you need to do is paste it into your favorite image generation software. Don't have one yet? You can find a link in the description where we have gathered tested and approved free solutions for you. We'll also show you right away what our test prompt has produced. Tangra AI, Firefly, Leonardo, Simplified. If you found this video helpful, you like our free AI tools, subscribe to our channel or sign up for our newsletter on the synsensei.com website. Have a creative day.